Welcome to our little storytelling session. Today, we'll explore how to expand your vocabulary using some charming five-sentence short stories. These mini stories will not only entertain you, but help you learn new words in a fun way. Once, a little cat named Bella wandered away from home, her soft paws patting on the sidewalk. She followed a colorful butterfly flitting from flower to flower in the park. Before long, Bella realized she had lost her way. Just then, a kind girl spotted her, scooping Bella up in her arms. From that moment, they became the best of friends, sharing adventures every day. In a small village lived a mouse named Max, who had big dreams. One day he heard loud cries coming from the barn and felt a rush of concern. Gathering all his courage, Max scampered inside to investigate. He discovered a trapped bird and worked tirelessly to free it. The villagers celebrated Max's bravery with cheers and applause, making him a hero. A curious girl named Lily stumbled upon an ancient, magical tree in the heart of the forest. With wide eyes, she gently touched its rough trunk and whispered her deepest wishes. Suddenly, vibrant flowers began to bloom all around her. Surprised and thrilled, Lily smiled brightly as she realized her dreams were coming true, filling her heart with joy. Thank you for joining in on these delightful stories. Remember, short stories are a fun way to learn new words, so try creating your own five-sentence tales.